The question was, am I able to split my RGB strip from one controller? And the answer to that question is yes. Here we have a 6 amp power supply that we're showing in the demo. Any power supply will really work. All we're doing is getting power from the power supply to the controller. So in this case, we run it from the power supply down through a DC solderless connector, female, and into the power supply. From our aluminum housed power supplies, the 8 and 10 amp, it's just going to be 2 wires coming from the power supply into your controller. Then what happens back here, and this is really where you make your money, is you can see that there's 2 wires going into each of the terminals on the controller. So I twisted those 2 up and then slid them into the terminal and screwed it down. Now what I did was there was also some question on, can you run like a longer length of wire to a short strip of LEDs and then a short run to a long strip? And as you can see, the answer to that question is yes. And how long exactly and all those kinds of things are a little bit more complicated to explain over a 2-minute video. So if you do have exact questions like that, we can help you figure that out. But what I'm trying to show you here is that you can run some extra wire to a smaller strip somewhere else. This is about 3 feet of wire to 1 section LEDs, and then we have just a solderless connector going to a 10-foot reel. And you can see we have it on our Mini XR RGB controller, so we can switch the speed, slow it down, change our modes, and they work in unison because all the power is coming from that one controller there. So hopefully it answered your question, and keep sending them. Glad to answer. Thank you guys for your orders, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.